Hey you guys, it's Shelly. So I've got something super cool to show you today. This is the Beaver 1000 pound double-sided magnet fishing kit. I did receive this kit for free in exchange for my honest review, but I wanted to dive in and show you all about it and to let you know if it's worth it. So first of all, have you ever dropped something into a lake or a river or anything like your keys or your tools and thought, well, that's gone forever, right? Or maybe you've always wanted to try treasure hunting in the water like my kids love to do, but this kit solves both of those problems. So it comes with everything you need to get started right away. No extra purchases are necessary. You get the powerful double-sided magnet that can pull up to 1,000 pounds. You get the 65-foot heavy-duty rope, waterproof gloves, a grappling hook for bigger items, and even a thread locking agent to make everything, to make sure everything stays secure and in place. So it's really the full package. The magnet is made from high quality material, so it's super strong. It works great for pulling up all kinds of underwater treasures, even if you had to pull up something super heavy like we're showing you. We've already found all kinds of like tools and things in our river here local to our house, so it's really fun just to see what you can pull up. And the grappling hook is perfect for snagging even bigger items. So it's built to last too. The magnet and all the metal components have a rust resistant coating, so even after repeated use in the water, everything stays in great shape. Plus the locking agent ensures the bolts and lifting rings stay tight even during like heavy use. So the kit isn't just for water though, it's great for treasure hunting in rivers, lakes, and ponds, but you can also use it to organize metal items in your garage or workshop too. So it's got a lot of versatility to it. So whether you're looking to retrieve lost items, maybe start a fun new hobby, or just get organized, the Beaver 1000 pound double-sided magnet fishing kit is the perfect solution.